The St Nazaire Raid or Operation Chariot was a British amphibious attack on the heavily defended Normandie dry dock at St Nazaire in German-occupied France during the Second World War. The operation was undertaken by the Royal Navy and British Commandos under the auspices of Combined Operations Headquarters on 28 March 1942. St Nazaire was targeted because the loss of its dry dock would force any large German warship in need of repairs, such as Tirpitz, sister ship of Bismarck, to return to home waters by running the gauntlet of the home fleet of the Royal Navy and other British forces via the English Channel or the North Sea. The obsolete destroyer HMS Campbelltown, accompanied by 18 smaller craft, crossed the English Channel to the Atlantic coast of France and was rammed into the Normandie dock gates. The ship had been packed with delayed action explosives, well hidden within a steel and concrete case that detonated later that day, putting the dock out of service until 1948. A force of commandos landed to destroy machinery and other structures. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.